Okay, right now we're going to demonstrate a psoas stretch. Now this stretch is excellent for if you are having low back pain, chronic low back pain, or if you're having pain in the front of your pelvis and in the front of your hips. So starting out this stretch, you're going to go down into a lunge. Now here in this stretch, if you're not feeling a stretch when you do this, this is often what is the problem, is that the leg right here is straight up and down. What you need to do is to, if you were to try and move forward into a lunge, as you can see, the knee moves over the toes, and that is not what we want to happen. So you'll come back, move your foot forward, and then you're going to stretch into that. And as you can see, you're trying to make sure that you feel your stretch here in the front of your hamstrings and also here in the front pelvis area. So when you do this, you're going to move forward into that, place both hands onto your knee, one on top of the other, and push off a little bit with that. As you can see, there's a little bit of a back bend. You want your body to be up and down in this stretch. If you are too far forward, so go forward. If you go too far forward, that takes you out of that stretch, and that isn't stretching that psoas muscle like we want to. So you'll push off your knee, move back into that stretch. Again, every single stretch that you do, you want to hold for 20 to 30 seconds. That allows the muscle fibers to release and to get a good deep stretch in there and provide the improvement that we desire. If at this point, if you're not getting enough of a stretch, one thing that you can do is interlace your fingers together and bring them up over your head and do a little bit of a back arch. This as well will deepen that stretch and allow you to get a better, more full stretch here in the psoas to allow that to release. And again, hold that for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply while you do so. That helps the muscle fibers to release and also helps you not to clench. And then after that 20 to 30 seconds, you'll release, hands down on the knee, and you can come back and move out of that stretch. And then we're going to move over to the other side. Go back again down into your lunge. Make sure that your foot is farther out in front of you, and you're moving forward to get that nice stretch there in the front of your body. Holding that for 20 to 30 seconds, pushing off with your hands and allowing your body to go either straight up and down or even to a back arch to allow more of a stretch there in the psoas. Now Ella here, if you can see on her back leg, her toes are pointed in. That is a sign of someone who is flexible. If you need to, you can point your foot in the back, and that might help you be able to move into that stretch as well. And if you're able, interlace your fingers, bring them up over your heads, and do a slight arch to the back. Still breathing deeply. This may make you want to hold your breath, but breathing deeply, you can even kind of look up towards the ceiling. Ooh, that even is a better part of a stretch. And then releasing that down, and that is a great psoas stretch.